Here we go. All right, let's get us a bonfire started here. All right, we got a fawn out in the yard. Slow process. Got that top as full as I care to get it. Now it's time to start piling our way back. Diesel works a lot better for a bonfire than gasoline will blow up in your face. Diesel won't. Oh boy.
Destination is on the left.
Look what we got here. We got us a couple of miniature U-Hauls. We're supposed to have a 26-footer, but hopefully it's back here. Yeah, we're going on a road trip. I don't see a 26-footer. Maybe it ain't here yet. All right, we got some empty boxes. We're throwing in here. And we're getting ready to roll here. Hey, my back hurts already, babe.
Too bad.
Here we go.
All right, we got the Uhaul 26-foot super mover on the road. Here we go.
All right, made it to Illinois. We both agreed we're not going to try to stress ourselves. We're going to pack at our own pace, starting today, continuing tomorrow, and then decide how long it's going to take and how much room we've got. So we still got a lot of stuff in her shop, stuff in the garage yet, stuff in the house. So we're going to get packing. This is where we left off in Sharon's shop. Getting closer. That tub is 2-person heavy. We're gonna wrap some of this stuff with plastic. All right, we're making progress. Luckily it ain't too terribly hot today. We're getting close to halfway done with the house and the garage. But we're both like thinking like, let's just leave all this stuff and go and start over again. All right, we got a fawn out in the yard. Oh, starting to lose his or her spots. All right, we're packing still. Crows are learning to fly and be nuisances. There's Mama right there. She just spotted me. I don't think I'm bothering her too much. Beginning of day 2. All right, I gotta go get some burn pit stuff with the tractor out of here and keep moving. All right, it's good to have the little coyote out. We're gonna start a burn pit. Have us a big bonfire. A little slow getting started. But once we get the blood moving, we'll be hustling. Oh, I missed the hydro. Actually, I miss any tractor. Jeez, it's been a month. All right, God bless her. Sharon sorted all this a month or 2 ago. So these 2 are burn pile, and the rest of it we're keeping. I don't know if we'll need another dumpster. We may. We'll see. All right, let's get us a bonfire started here. Diesel works a lot better for a bonfire than, well, this thing just worked a minute ago, than gasoline. Gasoline will blow up in your face. Diesel won't. as you can see. Oh yeah. Bonfire on, baby. Honestly, I'm not really gonna miss the place that much. Only because, you know, Missouri is beautiful. You know, that farm. All right, I'll get this last load on here before I get too going here. All right, fire's going. Still cleaning the barn out. Sharon's cedar projects. And I'm gonna need 2 hands and rev it up to get in and out here really quick. So I remember that willow tree right there. We transplanted that from down by the pond, you know, for a pretty kind of tree up here on the edge by the barn. And the first year it just died out. Now look at it. In 5 years that thing's gonna be huge. And they're really pretty willows. All right, still cleaning up. Slow process. I got the burn pile going. Got that top as full as I care to get it. Got a strap across that. Now it's time to start piling our way back. All right, here's a midstream look in the shop. We're gonna make a garbage run. Got the tractor. We're still paying for garbage service, but they gave us these new bins, so hopefully if we got more than that, they still take it, but we're making some progress. Slow, but it's going. Garbage run headed out to the curb. Rock and roll, baby. Get her done. All right, we got a scrapper and his wife over. They're taking a lot of the stuff that we don't want and they're helping us load. So that's gonna help us out for today. Shout out to Felipe, he hooked me up with them when he moved. Burn pile's just about done. All right, here's after day number 2. Could start seeing the barn again. We got our scrappers loaded down to the hilt, truck and trailer. And we're just about as full as we're gonna get. We got some things from the house yet in the truck. Progress, big progress today. A lot of this Sharon wouldn't let me put in there, like that's a bale blind, but there's probably mice in there. So that's gotta go with my equipment stuff. Some of this, the blocks are gonna go out in the woods or I'm gonna dump them in the pond. They're just rocks. And they're coming back tomorrow. They're gonna take another load. Basically the stuff that we're not keeping, anything they could sell and repurpose, they're gonna take all of it. So we'll continue on in the morning. Let's go look at the shop quick. All right, you're not gonna recognize the shop, but it's getting there. A lot of this, I'm gonna let him keep and take in for scrap. I'm gonna keep stuff that I might be able to use for welding projects, but a lot of it, it's time to just part with it. So he'll have a real nice load of metal scrap. Them shelves, we might keep a couple of them, but that bench and those cans, they're gonna keep that. They're keeping that bed frame. So we're whittling it down. Oh yeah, he wants that stuff up there. So we are whittling it down. Oh, I gotta get my sign down here. Progress. All right, here we are. It's like August 8th, I think. We're back in Illinois. We're loading a U-Haul. This might be our last lawn mowing. Even though we're under contract, we don't have to mow it. You know, we're trying to make the place, you know, really nice for the people moving in, because this is a really special place. So, oh, lots going on. Boy, lots going on. But good stuff, you know, one step at a time, living a dream, making stuff happen. Illinois, day 2 of moving. Just winding down.